front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then to use wallpaper settings, click on the top left corner. Operate all of those however you want to. And click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper. Yes. Apply. And lastly, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!